Computer hardware, the physical components of computing systems. What exactly is computer hardware? Hardware refers to the physical, touchable parts of a computer system. It's everything you can actually see and touch, like the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse, and the CPU cabinet. Think of it this way. Hardware is the body, and software is the brain. For example, a keyboard, which is hardware, lets you type letters. The typing software, like Microsoft Word, shows those letters on the screen. Without hardware, software cannot run. And without software, hardware is useless. Types of computer hardware. 1. Input devices. These are used to send data or instructions to the computer. Examples include the keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. When you press the letter A, the keyboard sends the binary code 01000001 to the CPU. 2. Output devices. These show the processed results from the computer. Examples: the monitor, printer, speakers, or projector. When you press Ctrl plus B, your document gets printed. 3. Processing devices, the CPU. The central processing unit is the brain of the computer. It processes all data and controls every activity. It has three main parts: the ALU, or arithmetic logic unit, the CU, or control unit, and the registers and cache. For example, the ALU handles tasks like solving 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4. Storage devices. These store data either permanently or temporarily. Primary storage, like RAM, is temporary. Secondary storage, such as a hard disk or SSD, is permanent. External storage includes things like a pen drive, CD, or DVD. For instance, when you open Chrome, the pages first load into RAM. 5. Communication devices. These help computers share data or connect to networks. Examples are the network interface card, Wi-Fi adapter, and modem. That's how Wi-Fi connects you to YouTube. Real-life examples: an ATM machine. The keypad and card reader are input devices. The screen and receipt printer are output devices. The CPU inside the ATM does the processing. The ATM's hard disk stores the data. A smartphone, the touchscreen, camera, and microphone are input devices. The screen and speaker are output. The mobile processor acts as the CPU. Internal memory or an SD card provides storage. Summary: in short, computer hardware equal input plus output plus processing plus storage plus communication devices. Here's how it all works together. The keyboard sends a signal. The CPU processes it. RAM stores it temporarily. The monitor displays it. And the hard disk saves it permanently.